Have you ever wanted to send a really confidential, sensitive document to a colleague but wanted to protect that document, add a password on it, or even make that document read-only or encrypt it? Well, there is a way to do this. I'm going to show you, but before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got a Word document opened up here. This is something I've quickly generated on the importance of digital skills in the modern world. So it's a 2-page document and I want to send this to a colleague, but I want to protect this document. So in this example, I want to password protect the document. So I'll send this document over to my colleague, but I'll send the password separately to my colleague. So they're the only people who've got access to open the document with the password. This is what you do. At the top in the ribbon here, if you want to go to File, and now in File on the left side, you will see an option which says Info. If you click on Info, now here you will see an option appear. You will see compatibility mode, protect document, inspect, version history, manage document. What we are going to do, we are going to protect the document here. So I'm just going to click on protect document like this. Now what you will see automatically is a drop down appear. Now in this drop down you will see different options which you can choose from depending on what you need to do. So there's one that says always open read only. So this prevents accidental change by asking readers to opt into editing. You will get an option to encrypt with the password. That's what we're going to do. You can restrict the editing. You can control the types of changes others can make. You can restrict access. So you can have unrestricted access, restricted access, even confidential to all employees or highly confidential, so on and so forth. You can add a digital signature and you can mark as final. For this video, what we're going to do, we're going to encrypt with a password. So I'm going to click on here. It will come up with a box like this. So I'm going to enter the password 123 with a capital P. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to enter that password again to confirm the password like this. Click on OK. Now a password has been added to the account. You can see the document is now protected. So if I was to close the document and then, or let me save it somewhere. Let me save it on my desktop, I think. No, let me save it in my user. Now go back. This is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If I go back into Word, file open, open up importance of digital skills, it's now asking for a password. So if I type in the password like this, click on OK, I can access the document. So that was just a quick and easy video showing you how to protect your document, but in this example it's encrypting the file with a password. Please do like, subscribe and share.